supposed to turn into a haul video, but I just remembered I have another package. Oh, wait till you see the stamps I got. Okay, but first let me show you this one. Isn't this one great? Yes, it is. I love it. Look, brand new. I haven't even taken them out of the package to smell them or look at them or anything. And then I got this. This is the merchant stamp set. It's all of these numbers, and they're all individual numbers. Oh, I'm excited about this one. You get all of these sizes. So this is an amazing set. And look at this. I have been wanting a stitched stamp for a really long time. There's one that I wanted a couple of years ago from a different maker. I couldn't remember, but when I Googled stitched stamp sets and this one came up from Tim Holtz, I had to have it. I love it that it's grungy, it's tattered. And even though I do have, I do like to stitch, and I have a sewing machine. Well, actually, it's my sister's sewing machine that I'm borrowing here. But look at, I love this grungy and thread and the faux stitching, because there will be some areas where, or sometimes where I won't be able to stitch with the actual sewing machine. And this is a great alternative. I love this stamp. Okay. And then, oh, here's one that is really popular. It's Field Notes. Now, I know everyone's been going crazy, and I actually ordered this. How long have I had this package? Did I get it? Oh my gosh, I don't remember when I got it. Because I've been working. Like, I worked like a whole week straight. I want to say I got it maybe a week ago. But because I've been working, I haven't played with it. And my day off today, I don't go back to work on Sunday. Completely forgot about it until just now. But Field Notes. And isn't it amazing? This stamp set is so versatile. Look at all, you get faux stamps. You get labels and postage, cancellation stamps, numbers, words. I love this stamp set. And that's what I wanted. I wanted to make sure that I bought that when I purchase stamp sets, that I can use them hundreds of different ways. And so that is what this is right here, Field Notes. And then this other one that I got, look at, now I love faux stamps, you guys. Faux postage. Absolutely love it. Tell me this one isn't amazing. It is called Stamp Collection. And look at all of those different stamps. This is going to go a long way. And I mean, you saw what I've done with scrapbooking paper. Can't wait to create the postage here. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so I got this one, and then just for fun, because all of a sudden I'm the crazy cat lady, I have loved, I've never owned a cat, growing up, didn't really care for cats. But all of a sudden, the last few years, I love images of cats. I have cat mugs, cat books, cat stickers, cat dishes. Do I have a cat shirt? I don't remember, but I have things with cats on them. Cat calendars, cat posters, and a lot of other cat stamps. So I saw this one. It's called Snarky Cat, and I just had to have it. Isn't it amazing? It is so cute. I'll read you one of them. At times, I'm grateful that thoughts don't actually appear in bubbles over my head. It's a Snarky Cat, and yeah, I love this. I love it, and it's hilarious. Look at that one. It's so funny. Okay. Look at that cat for a minute, because I'm going to show you this other stamp set that I got. Stamp sets. Give me just a moment. I'm coming. Okay. Now this one I ordered a couple weeks ago, and I ordered it because I ordered a stamp for my sister for Mother's Day. And as I was looking for her, this is a stamp that she's been wanting for a really long time. And I knew exactly, it was on my wish list, and I thought, well, I'm going to get it. I'm going to order it for her for Mother's Day. So I ordered it about a month ago, and it came in, and I gave it to her for Mother's Day, and she couldn't believe it. So I didn't just order one for her, but I ordered one for me as well. And let me show you what this is. I think I stamped it on something else too. But there is a stamp company in California. It's called Stamp Francisco. And they make this stamp right here. It is the Tiffany & Company stamp. And this stamp, this has been on my sister's and my wish list for a long time. And I thought Mother's Day would be perfect for her to have it. And I ordered it for her, and she freaking loved it. Loved it, loved it. And I love it too. And now I have it. But of course, I couldn't just order one stamp from Stamp Francisco. I ordered a few others. And I had stamped some of these because I've already played with these. As you can tell, I've already been playing with these stamps because I got these a while ago. I can't find the images or where I've stamped them. But this is Don Quixote, and I think you're familiar with this one. It is the Picasso painting. And this one is amazing. I have been wanting this painting or a print of it. Sorry, I'm moving the camera, but oh, be gentle. But oh my gosh, when I saw this stamp at Stamp Francisco, I had to have it because this is a print that I've been wanting in my home for a really long time. So I got it in the form of a stamp, which is amazing. I got a bunny stamp, and this is how they come. You don't get the image of it. You know, you don't get a picture of it, but you can see when you're ordering it. It's a little bunny in a little race car. So that one's great. And then I got some Spanish stamps. This one's pretty cool. This one says fotografía. It's like cataloging photographs. And fotografía, and then the number. So that one's going to be pretty cool to work with. This one right here is a label, also a Spanish label. It says cerrado por la oficina, sellado. It's pretty cool. I'll have to do better and show you guys what that is. Here is a book corner, book page. What is this? Photo corners. So this one was free because I ordered some stamps, and so they gave me to choose one of these photo corner stamps. So that's what that is. This one is Ciclista. It is a Spanish stamp. I'll show you this one and then this other one. Whoops, sorry about that. I keep moving the camera. I'm not on a stable surface. So sorry. Let's see, can you see that there? That's Ciclista, and it's a gentleman on a bicycle. That's pretty cool. It's in Spanish. And then this one is, it's also a bunny. It's a bunny blowing a horn. Oh my gosh. So yeah, okay. So I did buy a few things. Did I go overboard? I don't think so. I haven't bought anything in a long time. And as much as I didn't want to buy any stamps, some of these have been on my wish list for a long time. And so I'm glad that I was able to get them and play with them. And I have been playing with these a lot. I've made a few things. I just don't have them within arm's reach to show you. But these are wonderful. And yeah, so that is what I have done. You guys, I know I've kind of been this was supposed to be a super short video to show you my little envelope project. And yeah, I kind of just went all over the place with it, but that's okay. It's what I'm doing. It's what is currently on my desk. Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. If you have any questions about any of the items that I shared with you, you want links, I think I got these. Oh my gosh, where did I get these? Scrapbook.com. Scrapbook.com is where I got the Tim Holtz stamps, and the digitals are from Etsy, Tracy Fox, Calico Collage, but I didn't show you those. And then the other stamps, these were from Stamp Francisco. And then my pen and my glue and my other pens, these came from Office Depot. All right. And none of this is being sponsored because, you know, have you guys seen how many subscribers I have? Ain't nobody sponsoring me. But I just want to share where I get, you know, I gather some of my things. I have a good time. You guys, I'm here to have a good time with you and share with you guys the things that I'm making. So I hope you guys are having fun with me. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourselves. If you don't need to go anywhere, don't. Stay home. You guys, that's the best thing. That's the best thing to do is stay home and take care of yourselves, take care of your family. Thank you for joining me. Please leave me any comments. Let me know what you were thinking. And I hope to see you guys soon. You take care. Bye.